So this story is about Mary the mouse, and her special letter is the letter M. See the M on her jacket? There's also an M on this sign, and the sign says monster. I'm going to make a prediction about what I think the problem is in this story based on that sign. If there's a sign that says monster, I'm guessing that there might be a problem with a monster. So I want you to make a prediction about what you think that problem might be. And let's get going. So once upon a time, there was a mouse named Mary Mouse. Mary lived with her mama mouse in a mushroom patch on Monster Mountain. Mary and Mama were male mice. They delivered mail to each, sorry about that, they delivered mail to each house on Monster Mountain. Sometimes they had mail for Mr. Monster, who lived at the very top of the mountain. On Monday morning, Mary woke up to find marks all over his body, red, scratchy, uncomfortable marks. What was the matter with Mary? Mama Mouse had never seen marks like these. Mary felt miserable. It looks like Mary is sick, doesn't it? Mary and Mama decided to climb to Monster Mountain to see Mr. Monster. He was actually very kind and wise, and he could solve anyone's problems. I'm thinking that maybe the problem that I predicted wasn't what really is going to happen, because it sounds like Mr. Monster's nice. Since it was a mile to the top of the mountain, Mama and Mary rested in the middle because they were so tired. My, said Mr. Monster as he rubbed his mustache and looked Mary over. He said as he checked Mary's marks. Please make the sound that Mr. Monster made. Mr. Monster finally said, Mary, you have the measles. Oh dear, Mr. Monster mixed some medicine for Mary to take until the marks disappeared. He also gave Mary special mittens to wear to keep from scratching because the measles are really, really itchy. The mittens had M's on them. He told Mary to get lots of rest until Monday morning and then come again. Mama and Mary thanked Mr. Monster and went back down the mountain to get Mary well again. Mama delivered the mail alone each day while Mary rested. Look what happened. When Monday morning came again, Mary looked in the mirror and said, "Oh, Mama, Mama, my marks are missing." He was so happy. To thank Mr. Monster for making Mary well, Mama and Mary made muffins and took them up to the mountain to him. As they munched on the muffins, they all said, because they really liked those muffins. Okay, I want you to check in. Give me a thumbs up if your prediction about what the problem was correct. Give me a thumbs down if it was not correct. If Mrs. Stokes was showing you her thumbs, I would give myself a thumbs down because I didn't guess right, and that's okay. It's okay to make a prediction that's wrong. But remember to watch for the letter M and for words that have that sound in it, like muffins, or like the M's on this beautiful tablecloth. Have a good day.